can catch my breath from chasing you. So tell me when you will know what it is you want, 'cause I don't wanna wait forever, no. Make up your mind, stop wasting my time. You know we only have one life, one life. Let's dance to it. Won't you make up your mind? Stop wasting my time. You know we only have one life, one life. One life, one life. One life, one life. One life, one life.
We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going.
What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We were never meant to be apart. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony.
We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows.
Well, good morning. Today, we're going to try again to see if Betty can have hot water on the homestead. Y'all, it has been months of doing this, undoing this, doing something else. It's been a nightmare. And it's, at this point, it's a saga. And it will continue for a while anyway, because I got to clean water tanks. But today, we're going to see if this helps anything. So let's give it a try. turned off the gas. It ain't easy getting in here. I'm gonna need some more duct tape. Well, I did it. Let's see if it worked. Maybe I put them in wrong. Let's go see. I'll be right back. Just a thought. I kept saying the only thing I haven't replaced is the hose from my propane tank to my heater. And I know there's a regulator and that sometimes that will mess up. I've had it happen. I've had to replace it. Whoever put it on last, I can't get it off. It's supposed to be put on, it's got a hand turn. You put it on hand tight. My hand's still hurting. I got a plane that's just flying in circles over there, y'all. It's a big yellow plane. Well, it's a little yellow plane. And I'm pretty sure unless it flies right over my head, you couldn't see it. But if he heads this way, I'll try to aim the camera at him. I didn't switch the batteries yet because I was going to try the propane. I was going to try to unhitch the propane tank and then plug it back in, screw it back on to see if that kind of reset the regulator. Because nothing is happening. I'll try the batteries. Maybe I put them in wrong. I'll be right back. Well, the frustration grows. Now I can't get the battery out at all. How do you get batteries out when they're stuck in there? Well, by the time y'all tell me how to do it, maybe I will have figured it out. So frustrated. Oh, I'll be back. Well, I got it out. Needle nose pliers and a flathead screwdriver. Hope I didn't do no damage.
No physical presence there.
I'll hear it if it comes on.
Oh, there's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way.
I don't think it's getting any propane. If there's no propane, why would it ignite? Right? I don't think it would make any sound.
No physical presence there I can't see.
Looks like I need my handyman.
Oh, there's nothing in my way.
So, on to the next project.
There's nothing in my way.
Y'all may have noticed in my last few videos the greening of the desert. It's our version of grass. It's weeds, little weeds. And it's turning everything. It's turning the ground green. And I'm trying not to be in a total panic. But all I keep thinking is snakes. And Mojave greens. They're the color of the green. I'll never see them. So I'm trying to keep the paths clear. And I'm also going to attempt to snake-proof my battery box at the shed, where the rattlesnake that almost got me. I'm going to block his path. So that's next video. We'll work on this another time. No shower today, which is a real bummer because I think that the California cold and rain that's coming in on Wednesday, they say, it's going to get me. So I still got wood. As a matter of fact, I built a fire. In the stove, and I haven't burned it yet. And it's been 2 or 3 days that I haven't even lit a fire. So that doesn't mean that it's like 60. It's barely 40s, but comparatively speaking, and I have all those warm wool blankets to sleep under and a nice, beautiful quilt. It is true. I am the queen of the desert. I love y'all.
Yeah. May the road rise to meet you and the sun kiss your face. May there always be a miracle waiting just to bless your day. Life won't always hand you roses. Don't let it get you down. Keep your eyes on what your goal is and your feet on solid ground. Take this with you where you go. You are love, 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 love. You are love, yeah, you are. You are love, love, love.